Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Arahan dari pendiri Bapor UM Badan Formatur Universitas Mandailing Salim St. bin Abdurrahim Nasution. Kisi-kisi materi S3 kuliah umum Sabtu sore sepanjang masa elektronik telekonferensi untuk Kegubernuran Sumatera Utara dari UM Universitas Mandailing dengan misi abadi untuk perdamaian abadi dunia. Materi kuliah filsafat UM Universitas Mandailing. Segenap konseptual dalam Jebar MGBSM, Jurnal Bulanan Analisis Riset Mikron Gen Biologis sepanjang masa, pada dasarnya adalah aksi massa kondusif yang terukur. Maka saya mengkonseptualisasi Jebar MGBSM, Jurnal Bulanan Analisis Riset Mikron Gen Biologis sepanjang masa, sepanjang jangkauan optimal dengan wujud material kandungan Jebar MGBSM, Jurnal Bulanan Analisis Riset Mikron Gen Biologis sepanjang masa adalah penjadwalan tematik S3 kuliah umum Sabtu sore sepanjang masa elektronik telekonferensi di KPG, Kantor Pusat Global MPP GYMR, Majelis Pimpinan Pusat Global Yayasan Mandailing Raya, yang diselenggarakan oleh Bapor UM Badan Formatur Universitas Mandailing. All conceptual in the Maldi Journal of Physics Analysis of Biological Kinetic Micron of all time is basically a measurable conducive mass action. So as conceptualize the Maldi Journal of Physics Analysis of Biological Kinetic Micron of all time, as long as the optimal range of content material measured is the Maldi Journal of Physics Analysis of Biological Kinetic Micron of all time, is the thematic scheduling of the public lecture of evidence at the day of all time with electronic teleconference at global headquarters of the Central Global Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation, organized by the formator body of MU Mandailing University. Sebagai pendiri tunggal MPP GYMR, Majelis Pimpinan Pusat Global Yayasan Mandailing Raya, sekaligus pendiri tunggal Lembaga Otonom Bapor UM Badan Formatur Universitas Mandailing, maka saya menjaga kondusivitas massa YMR Yayasan Mandailing Raya dari pembiasan seperti politik praktis, ideologi bias, radikalisasi, dan fanatisme primordialisme kesukuan. Walau kita para pengurus YMR Yayasan Mandailing Raya menerima arus globalisasi di bumi Mandailing dengan tetap mempertahankan NKRI, Negara Kesatuan Republik Indonesia. Ini alasannya kenapa saya terus berkutat dalam menulis Jebar MGBSM, Jurnal Bulanan Analisis Riset Mikron Gen Biologis sepanjang masa yang terukur tiap bulannya. Dalil awal yang dikemukakan oleh inisiasi Jumat 20 Februari 2009 yang menatahantarkan DJS diskusi Jumat sore adalah fakta dari semangat gelora keilmuan yang masif sebagai hari dideklarasikannya berdiri YMR Yayasan Mandailing Raya di bumi Mandailing yang merembes kepada masa depan YMR Yayasan Mandailing Raya itu sendiri, yaitu Badan Formatur UM Universitas Mandailing untuk perdamaian abadi dunia. World Eternal Peace. As the sole founder of the Central Global Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation, as well as the sole founder of the autonomous institution of the formator body of MU Mandailing University, I protect the Great Mandailing Foundation from repression such as radical politics biased by ideology, radicalization, and tribal primordialism, fanatism. Even though we, the officials of the Great Mandailing Foundation, assert the globalization current in its Mandailing while maintaining the unitary country of Republic of Indonesia. This is the reason why I continue to struggle in writing the multi-jumlah of releases of biological genetic micro over time, measured every month. The initial provision put forward by the initiation of free day, 20th of month February of year 2009, which arranged the afternoon free day discussion, is factual from the spirit of massive scientific enthusiasm as the day of declaration of standing, the Great Mandailing Foundation. On its Mandailing that shifts into the feature of the Great Mandailing Foundation itself is the formative body of MU Mandailing University for what eternal is. Semangat aksi massa Badan Formatur UM Universitas Mandailing adalah semangat yang mengabadikan konseptual perguruan tinggi di bumi Mandailing dengan seluruh konsekuensi logis yang diterima oleh Badan Formatur UM Universitas Mandailing dalam tahapan dan tetapan masa depan ilmiah bumi Mandailing. Dengan demikian, maka UM Universitas Mandailing melakukan desain pembangunan bumi Mandailing di bidang riset ilmiah perguruan tinggi. Oleh karena itu, maka Badan Formatur UM Universitas Mandailing tetap pada ketika sebagian jurusan UM Universitas Mandailing telah lengkap secara badan hukum menyelenggarakan kegiatan akademik, penggelindingan aksi massa oleh Badan Formatur UM Universitas Mandailing hanyalah persuasif bagi insan-insan yang memiliki minat dan bakat kepada Badan Formatur UM Universitas Mandailing dengan kesadaran penuh bahwa Badan Formatur UM Universitas Mandailing adalah alat pengabdian kepada umat semesta untuk itu. Aksi massa Badan Formatur UM Universitas Mandailing adalah aksi massa terukur yang dalilnya adalah konstruksi kondusivitas khalayak masyarakat bumi Mandailing dalam bobot yang ilmiah bukan massa bias. Berdasarkan hal yang tersebut di atas, maka Bapor UM Badan Formatur Universitas Mandailing menjauhi narasi bergerombol dengan takaran idiomatiknya bahwa aksi massa tidak terpolarisasi pada politik pragmatis yang bias, apalagi setting anarkistis yang radikalistik sarkasme dengan jurnal ilmiah kampus Bapor UM Badan Formatur Universitas Mandailing yaitu Jebar MGBSM, jurnal bulanan analisis riset mikron gen biologis sepanjang masa yang adaptif dengan isu-isu mikro Bapor UM Badan Formatur Universitas Mandailing. Di bawah asuhan saya, maka IMR Yayasan Mandailing Raya dikonsentrasikan pada upaya daya sumber potensi vitalisasi Bapor Badan Formatur Universitas Mandailing yang dimulai sejak diberlakukannya kuliah perdana Bapor Badan Formatur Universitas Mandailing Sabtu 2 Juli 2016 untuk SM sepanjang masa dengan wujud KUM S3M, kuliah umum Sabtu sore sepanjang masa, elektronik telekonferensi sebagai tetapan konstanta YMR Yayasan Mandailing Raya yang dituang dalam Jebar MGBSM, jurnal bulanan analisis riset mikron gen biologis sepanjang masa sebagai tetapan konstanta pula pemaketan seluruh jurusan dan fakultas dalam setiap tematik wujud material kandungan Jebar MGBSM, jurnal bulanan analisis riset mikron gen biologis sepanjang masa adalah penjadwalan tematik KUM S3M, kuliah umum Sabtu sore sepanjang masa, elektronik telekonferensi di KPG Kantor Pusat Global MPP GYMR, Majelis Pimpinan Pusat Global Yayasan Mandailing Raya, yang diselenggarakan oleh Bapor UM Badan Formatur Universitas Mandailing adalah menjaga keutuhan Bapor Badan Formatur Universitas Mandailing sebagai satu kesatuan utuh yang tidak terpisahkan, integralistik, inheren, yaitu jurusan teknik pertambangan, jurusan teknik perminyakan, jurusan teknik geofisika, dan jurusan teknik metalurgi. Fakultas Teknik Pertambangan dan Perminyakan (FTTM), jurusan PAI Pendidikan Agama Islam, jurusan Bahasa Arab, jurusan Bahasa Inggris, dan jurusan Matematika. Fakultas Tarbiyah, jurusan Teknik Geologi, jurusan Teknik Geodesi dan Geomatika, jurusan Meteorologi, dan jurusan Oceanografi. Fakultas Ilmu dan Teknologi Kebumian. Jurusan Seni Rupa, jurusan Kriya, jurusan Desain Interior, jurusan Desain Komunikasi Visual, dan jurusan Desain Produk. Fakultas Seni Rupa dan Desain MSRD, jurusan Teknik Mesin, jurusan Aeronautika dan Astronautika, dan jurusan Teknik Material, Fakultas Teknik Mesin dan Dirgantara, jurusan Teknik Kimia, jurusan Teknik Fisika, jurusan Teknik Industri, jurusan Manajemen, Rekayasa Industri, jurusan Teknik Pangan, jurusan Teknik Bioenergi dan Kimurgi, Fakultas Teknologi Industri FTI, jurusan Teknik Sipil, jurusan Teknik Lingkungan, jurusan Teknik Kelautan, jurusan Teknik dan Pengelolaan Sumber Daya Air, dan jurusan Rekayasa Infrastruktur Lingkungan, Fakultas Teknik Sipil dan Lingkungan FTSL, jurusan Matematika, jurusan Fisika, jurusan Astronomi, jurusan Kimia, jurusan Statistika, jurusan Meteorologi, Terapan, jurusan Biologi, jurusan Ilmu Komputer, dan jurusan Biokimia, Fakultas Matematika dan Ilmu Pengetahuan Alam, FMIPA, jurusan Pendidikan Dokter, jurusan Ilmu Keperawatan, jurusan Gizi Kesehatan, jurusan Amnesti dan Reanimasi, jurusan Ilmu Bedah, jurusan Bedah Anak, jurusan Bedah Saraf, jurusan Kedokteran Forensik dan Mediko-Legal, jurusan Ilmu Kedokteran Jiwa, jurusan Kesehatan Anak, jurusan Kesehatan Kulit dan Kelamin, jurusan Ilmu Kesehatan Otolaringologi, THTKL, Telinga Hidung Tenggorokan, Kepala Leher, jurusan Ilmu Kesehatan Penyakit Mata, jurusan Ilmu Penyakit Dalam, jurusan Penyakit Jantung dan Pembuluh Darah, jurusan Ilmu Penyakit Saraf Neurologi, jurusan Mikrobiologi Klinik, jurusan Ortopedi dan Traumatologi, jurusan Obstetri dan Ginekologi, jurusan Patologi Anatomi, jurusan Patologi Klinik, jurusan Radiologi, jurusan Urologi, jurusan Ilmu Kedokteran Dasar, jurusan Ilmu Kedokteran Klinik, jurusan Ilmu Kedokteran Tropis, jurusan Ilmu Kesehatan Masyarakat, jurusan Ilmu Pendidikan Kedokteran, jurusan Keperawatan, dan jurusan Ilmu Kedokteran dan Kesehatan, Fakultas Kedokteran, jurusan Agronomi dan Hortikultura, jurusan Budidaya Perikanan, jurusan Ilmu Hama dan Penyakit Tumbuhan, jurusan Ilmu Tanah, jurusan Manajemen Sumber Daya, Perikanan, jurusan Mikrobiologi Pertanian, jurusan Pemulihan Tanaman, jurusan Penyuluhan dan Komunikasi Pertanian, jurusan Sosial Ekonomi Pertanian Agrobisnis, jurusan Teknologi Hasil Pertanian, jurusan Manajemen Sumber Daya Lahan, jurusan Arsitektur Lanskap, jurusan Agronomi, jurusan Ekonomi Pertanian, jurusan Fitopatologi, jurusan Manajemen Agribisnis, dan jurusan Ilmu Pertanian, Fakultas Pertanian, jurusan Dasar-Dasar Ilmu Hukum, jurusan Hukum Keperdataan, jurusan Hukum Pidana, jurusan Hukum Tata Negara, jurusan Hukum Administrasi Negara, jurusan Hukum Internasional, jurusan Hukum Acara, jurusan Hukum Masyarakat dan Pembangunan, jurusan Hukum Bisnis, jurusan Hukum Ekonomi, jurusan Hukum Kenegaraan, HTN, Hukum Tata Negara, HAN, Hukum Administrasi Negara. Jurusan Hukum dan Sistem Peradilan Pidana, jurusan Hukum dan Ilmu Pengetahuan Islam, jurusan Hak Kekayaan, jurusan Hukum Hak Kekayaan Intelektual, HKI, HAKI, dan teknologi, jurusan hukum perdagangan internasional, jurusan hukum transnasional, jurusan hak asasi manusia, HAM dan good governance, jurusan hukum keuangan negara, jurusan hukum ketenagakerjaan, jurusan hukum sumber daya alam, SDA, jurusan praktek peradilan, program pendidikan profesi magister kenotariatan, MKN, dan program pendidikan doktor ilmu hukum, fakultas hukum, jurusan ilmu pendidikan, JIP, jurusan pendidikan luar biasa, jurusan pendidikan bimbingan dan konseling, jurusan pendidikan guru sekolah dasar, PGSD, jurusan pendidikan guru pendidikan anak usia dini, PG, PAUD, PAUD, jurusan pendidikan matematika dan ilmu pengetahuan alam, JP MIPA, jurusan pendidikan matematika, jurusan pendidikan kimia, jurusan pendidikan fisika, jurusan pendidikan biologi, jurusan pendidikan ilmu pengetahuan sosial, JPIVS, jurusan pendidikan kewarganegaraan, jurusan pendidikan sejarah, jurusan pendidikan geografi, jurusan pendidikan sosiologi antropologi, jurusan pendidikan ekonomi, jurusan pendidikan bahasa dan seni, JPBS, jurusan pendidikan bahasa Inggris, jurusan pendidikan bahasa dan sastra Indonesia, jurusan pendidikan bahasa Mandailing, jurusan pendidikan seni rupa, jurusan pendidikan teknik dan kejuruan, JPTK, jurusan pendidikan teknik informatika dan komputer, PTIK, jurusan pendidikan teknik bangunan, PTB, jurusan pendidikan teknik mesin, PTN, jurusan pendidikan olahraga dan wisata, JPOK, jurusan pendidikan kepelatihan olahraga, PENKEPOR, jurusan pendidikan jasmani, kesehatan dan rekreasi, Penjaskesrek, PKLH, pendidikan kewarganegaraan dan lingkungan hidup, teknologi pendidikan, pendidikan sains, ilmu pendidikan, dan pendidikan IPA, ilmu pengetahuan alam. Fakultas Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan, FKIP, jurusan manajemen dan kebijakan publik, ilmu administrasi negara, jurusan ilmu hubungan internasional, jurusan ilmu komunikasi, jurusan ilmu pembangunan sosial dan kesejahteraan, Sosiatri, jurusan politik dan pemerintahan, ilmu pemerintahan, jurusan sosiologi dan jurusan ilmu administrasi publik, Fakultas Isipol, ilmu sosial dan ilmu politik, jurusan perbandingan agama, jurusan ilmu Al-Quran dan tafsir, jurusan ilmu hadis, jurusan ilmu akidah dan filsafat Islam, jurusan ilmu tasawuf, jurusan filsafat agama, dan jurusan tafsir hadis, Fakultas Usuluddin, jurusan bahasa dan sastra Arab, jurusan sejarah dan kebudayaan Islam, jurusan bahasa dan sastra Inggris, jurusan tarjamah, dan jurusan ilmu perpustakaan dan informasi, Fakultas Adab dan Humaniora, jurusan Al-Ahwal Asy-Syakhsiyah, hukum keluarga Islam, jurusan siasat, hukum pidana dan politik Islam, jurusan Muamalah, hukum bisnis Islam, jurusan perbandingan massal, jurusan keuangan Islam, jurusan ilmu hukum, dan jurusan HES, hukum ekonomi syariah, Fakultas Syariah, jurusan pembangkit listrik tenaga air, PLTA, jurusan pembangkit listrik tenaga biodiesel, jurusan pembangkit listrik tenaga surya, PLTS, jurusan pembangkit listrik tenaga ombak, PLTO, jurusan pembangkit listrik tenaga angin, jurusan pembangkit listrik tenaga nuklir, PLTN, jurusan pembangkit listrik tenaga biomasa, dan jurusan penyimpan energi, Fakultas Konversi Energi, jurusan kedokteran hewan, Fakultas Kedokteran Hewan, jurusan teknik mesin dan biosistem, jurusan teknologi pangan, jurusan teknologi industri pertanian, dan jurusan teknik sipil dan lingkungan, Fakultas Teknologi Pertanian, Pateta, jurusan ekonomi dan studi pembangunan, jurusan manajemen, jurusan agribisnis, jurusan ekonomi sumber daya dan lingkungan, dan jurusan ekonomi syariah, Fakultas Ekonomi dan Manajemen, jurusan ilmu gizi, jurusan ilmu keluarga dan konsumen, dan jurusan ilmu komunikasi dan pengembangan masyarakat, Fakultas Ekologi Manusia, FEMA, jurusan bisnis, sekolah bisnis, jurusan teknologi produksi ternak, dan jurusan nutrisi dan teknologi pakan, Fakultas Peternakan, jurusan teknologi dan manajemen perikanan budidaya, jurusan manajemen sumber daya perairan, jurusan teknologi hasil perairan, jurusan teknologi dan manajemen perikanan tangkap, Fakultas Perikanan dan Ilmu Kelautan, jurusan manajemen hutan, jurusan teknologi hasil hutan, jurusan konservasi sumber daya hutan dan ekowisata, dan jurusan silvikultur, Fakultas Kehutanan, jurusan olahraga pendidikan, jurusan olahraga rekreasi, jurusan olahraga prestasi, jurusan pendidikan jasmani, kesehatan dan rekreasi, jurusan ilmu keolahragaan, jurusan ilmu keolahragaan konsentrasi olahraga rekreasi, jurusan ilmu keolahragaan konsentrasi olahraga rekreasi, dan jurusan ilmu keolahragaan konsentrasi kepelatihan olahraga, fakultas olahraga, jurusan penyiaran, jurusan kehumasan, jurusan periklanan, jurusan komunikasi bisnis, jurusan informasi dan perpustakaan, jurusan ilmu komunikasi, jurusan ilmu perpustakaan, jurusan jurnalistik, jurusan manajemen komunikasi, dan jurusan televisi dan film, PIKOP, fakultas ilmu komunikasi, jurusan biostatistik, jurusan informatika kesehatan, jurusan manajemen informasi kesehatan, jurusan epidemiologi, jurusan manajemen asuransi kesehatan, jurusan manajemen pelayanan kesehatan, jurusan manajemen rumah sakit, jurusan kesehatan lingkungan, jurusan kesehatan reproduksi, jurusan keselamatan dan kesehatan kerja, jurusan mutu layanan kesehatan, jurusan promosi kesehatan, jurusan bidan komunitas, jurusan gizi, jurusan epidemiologi klinik, jurusan epidemiologi travel, jurusan epidemiologi lapangan, jurusan ekonomi kesehatan, jurusan asuransi kesehatan, jurusan biostatistika, jurusan epidemiologi kesehatan lingkungan, jurusan farmakoekonomi, jurusan gizi kesehatan masyarakat, jurusan kebijakan dan hukum kesehatan, jurusan kesehatan lingkungan, jurusan manajemen pelayanan kesehatan, jurusan mutu pelayanan kesehatan, jurusan promosi kesehatan, jurusan kajian administrasi rumah sakit, jurusan epidemiologi klinik, jurusan epidemiologi komunitas, dan jurusan ilmu kesehatan masyarakat, FKM, Fakultas Kesehatan Masyarakat, jurusan bedah mulut, jurusan ilmu penyakit mulut, jurusan konservasi gigi, jurusan periodonsia, jurusan prostodonsia, jurusan ortodonsia, jurusan radiologi, jurusan ilmu material kedokteran gigi, EMKG, jurusan oral biologi, jurusan ilmu kesehatan gigi masyarakat dan kedokteran gigi pencegahan, IKGMP, dan jurusan ilmu kesehatan gigi anak. IKGA, FKG, Fakultas Kedokteran Gigi, jurusan Psikologi Klinis, jurusan Psikologi Perkembangan, jurusan Psikologi Pendidikan, jurusan Psikologi Industri dan Organisasi, jurusan Psikologi Sosial dan jurusan Metode dan Riset Psikologi, Fakultas Psikologi, jurusan Strategi Perang Semesta, Total War Strategy, jurusan Damai dan Resolusi Konflik, Peace and Conflict Resolution, dan jurusan Perang Asimetris, Asymmetric Warfare, FSP, Fakultas Strategi Pertahanan, jurusan Manajemen Pertahanan, Defense Management, jurusan Ekonomi Pertahanan, Economic Defense, jurusan Manajemen Bencana, Disaster Management for National Security, jurusan Keamanan Energi, Energy Security, dan jurusan Keamanan Maritim, Maritime Security, Fakultas Manajemen Pertahanan, FMP, jurusan Akuntansi, jurusan Bisnis Islam, jurusan Ekonomi Islam, jurusan Ilmu Ekonomi, jurusan Bisnis Islam, jurusan Ekonomi Islam, jurusan Ilmu Ekonomi, jurusan Manajemen, dan jurusan Perencanaan dan Kebijakan Publik. FE, Fakultas Ekonomi, Department of Architecture, the Department of Urban Studies plus Planning, the Media Laboratory, the Center for Real Estate, the Program in Arts, Culture, and Technology, School of Architecture and Planning, SA plus P, Aeronautics and Astronautics, Biological Engineering, Chemical Engineering, Civil and Environmental Engineering, Electrical Engineering, and Computer Science, Engineering System Division, Material Science and Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Knowledge Science and Engineering, Institute for Medical Engineering and Science, School of Engineering, Mathematics and Lab, Anthropology, Center for International Studies, Comparative Media Studies, Writing, Economics, Foreign Language and Literatures, Graduate Consortium in Women's Studies, Graduate Program in Science Writing, History, Hyper Studio, Science Journalism Program, Linguistics, Literature, MUISTI, Mandailing University International Science and Technology Initiatives, Music, Philosophy, Political Science, Science, Technology and Society, Security Studies Program, Theater Arts, Women's and Gender Studies, School of Humanities, Art and Social Science, ASS, Degree Program, MBA, Master of Business Administration Program, Leaders for Global Operation, LGO, Master of Finance, Executive MBA, Master of Business Administration, Bagus Salim Follows Program in Innovation and Global Leadership, Master of Science in Management Studies, MS, System Design and Management, SDM, PhD Program, Undergraduate Program, Bagus Salim Management, jurusan Biologi, jurusan Otak dan Ilmu Kognitif, jurusan Kimia, jurusan Ilmu Bumi, Atmosfer dan Angkasa, jurusan Matematika dan jurusan Fisika, Fakultas Ilmu Pengetahuan, jurusan Biologi, jurusan Mikrobiologi, jurusan Rekayasa Hayati, jurusan Rekayasa Pertanian, jurusan Rekayasa Kehutanan, dan jurusan Teknologi Pascapanen, Fakultas Sains dan Rekayasa Hayati, jurusan Sains dan Teknologi Farmasi, dan jurusan Farmasi Klinik dan Komunitas FKK, Fakultas Farmasi, jurusan Teknik Elektro, jurusan Teknik Informatika, jurusan Teknik Tenaga Listrik, jurusan Teknik Telekomunikasi, jurusan Sistem dan Teknologi Informasi, dan jurusan Teknik Biomedis, Fakultas Teknik Elektro dan Informatika, FTEI, jurusan Arsitektur dan jurusan Perencanaan Wilayah dan Kota, Sekolah Arsitektur, Perencanaan dan Pengembangan Kebijakan, SAPPK, dan jurusan Manajemen dan jurusan Kewirausahaan, Sekolah Bisnis dan Manajemen, SPM, Universitas Mandailing. The spirit of mass action of the promoter body of MU, Mandailing University, is the spirit that perpetuates the conceptualism of higher education in its education Mandailing, with all the logical consequences received by the promoter body of MU, Mandailing University, in the stage and gauge of the future of its Mandailing. Thus, MU, Mandailing University, designed the construction of its Mandailing in higher education, scientific research. Therefore, the promoter body of MU, Mandailing University, remained the same of the departments of MU, Mandailing University, were complete as the legal entity organizing academic activities. The granting of mass action by the agency is only persuasive for people who have interests and talents to the promoter body of MU, Mandailing University, with full awareness that the promoter body of MU, Mandailing University, is a tool of devotion to the universe. For that reason, the mass action of the promoter body of MU, Mandailing University, is measured mass action. The achievement of this is the construction of the conducivity of the people of its Mandailing in a scientific way rather than a biased mass based on the above. Then the promoter body of MU, Mandailing University, is a third clear of group narratives with its idiomatic measure that mass action is not flourished on biased pragmatic politics, let alone the radical anarchistic setting of sarcasm with the scientific journal of campus of the promoter body of MU, Mandailing University, namely the monthly journal of research analysis of biological genetic micro novel time, which is adaptive to micro issues of the promoter body of MU, Mandailing University. Under my care, the Great Mandailing Foundation is concentrated on efforts to vitality potential resources of the formator body of MU Mandailing University, which began since the enactment of the inaugural lecture of the formator body of MU Mandailing University, Saturday, 2nd of July 2016, for all time, with the form of the public lecture of afternoon Saturday of all time, with electronic teleconference as a constant constellation of the Great Mandailing Foundation is outlined in the Monday Journal of Physics Analysis of Biological Genetic Micron of all time. Systematic scheduling of the Monday Journal of Physics Analysis of Biological Genetic Micron of all time at the global headquarters of the Central Global Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation, organized by the formator body of MU Mandailing University, is to maintain the integrity of the formator body of MU Mandailing University as an inseparable whole integralistic inherently fits the Department of Mining Engineering, the Department of Petroleum Engineering, the Department of Geophysical Engineering, and the Department of Metallurgical Engineering, the Faculty of Mining and Petroleum Engineering, the Department of Islamic Religious Education, the Department of Arabic Language, the Department of English, and the Department of Mathematics, the Faculty of Tarbiyah, the Department of Geological Engineering, the Department of Geodesy and Geomatic Engineering, the Department of Meteorology, and the Department of Oceanography, the Department of Science and Technology of each, the Department of Fine Art, the Department of Art and Craft, the Department of Interior Design, the Department of Visual Communication Design, and the Department of Product Design, the Department of Art and Design, the Department of Mechanical Engineering, the Department of Aeronautic and Astronautics, and the Department of Material Engineering, the Department of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, the Department of Chemical Engineering, the Department of Physics Engineering, the Department of Industrial Engineering, the Department of Industrial Engineering Management, the Department of Food Engineering, and the Department of Biology and Chemistry Engineering, the Department of Industrial Technology, the Department of Civil Engineering, the Department of Environmental Engineering, the Department of Marine Engineering, the Department of Engineering and Management of Water Resources, the Department of Environmental Infrastructure Engineering, the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering, the Department of Mathematics, the Department of Physics, the Department of Astronomy, the Department of Chemistry, the Department of Statistics, the Department of Applied Meteorology, the Department of Biology, the Department of Computer Science, and the Department of Biochemistry, the Department of Mathematics, Natural Science, the Department of Medical Doctor Education, the Department of Nursing Science, the Department of Health Nutrition, the Department of Amnesty and Reanimation, the Department of Surgery Science, the Department of Child Surgery, the Department of Neurosurgery, the Department of Forensic Medicine and Legal Medic, the Department of Mental Medicine Science, the Department of Children Health, the Department of Skin and General Health, the Department of Health Science, of Otolaryngology, throat, ear, nose, head, neck, the Department of Eye Disease Health Science, the Department of Internal Medicine Science, the Department of Disease of Head and Blood Vessels, the Department of Neurology, the Department of Clinical Microbiology, the Department of Orthopedic and Traumatology, the Department of Obstetric and Gynecology, the Department of Anatomy Pathology, the Department of Clinical Pathology, the Department of Anatomy Pathology, the Department of Clinical Pathology, the Department of Radiology, the Department of Urology, the Department of Basic Medical Science, the Department of Clinical Medical Science, the Department of Tropical Medicine Science, the Department of Public Health Science, the Department of Medical Education Science, the Department of Nursing, and the Department of Science of Medicine and Health, the Department of Medicine, the Department of Agronomy and Horticulture, the Department of Aquaculture, the Department of Science of Pest and Disease of Plant Protection, the Department of Soil Science, the Department of Resources and Resources Management, the Department of Agricultural Microbiology, the Department of Breeding Plant, the Department of Agricultural Counseling and Communication, the Department of Agricultural Socio-Economy, Agribusiness, the Department of Agricultural Products Technology, the Department of Land Resource Management, the Department of Landscape Architecture, the Department of Agronomy, the Department of Agricultural Economy, the Department of Phytopathology, the Department of Agribusiness Management, the Department of Breeding Plant, and the Department of Agricultural Science, the Department of Agriculture, the Department of Fundamentals of Legal Science, the Department of Civil Law, the Department of Criminal Law, the Department of Constitutional Law, the Department of State Administration Law, the Department of International Law, the Department of Procedural Law, the Department of Law of Community and Development, the Department of Business Law, the Department of Economic Law, the Department of State Law, State Management Law, State Administration Law, the Department of Law and the System of Criminal Justice, the Department of Law and the Sign of Islam, the Department of Law of Intellectual Property Rights, IPR and Technology, the Department of Law and International Trade, the Department of Transnational Law, the Department of Human Rights and Good Governance, the Department of State Financial Law, the Department of Labor Law, the Department of Law and Natural Resources, the Department of Workplace of Justice, the Department of Master Profession. Education of Notary and the Doctoral Education Program of Law Science, the Faculty of Law, the Department of Educational Science, the Department of Extraordinary Education, the Department of Guidance and Counseling Education, the Department of Primary School Teacher Education, the Department of Teacher Education for Early Childhood Education, the Department of Education of Mathematics and Natural Science, the Department of Mathematics Education, the Department of Chemistry Education, the Department of Physics Education, the Department of Biology Education, the Department of Social Science Education, the Department of Civic Education, the Department of History Education, the Department of Geography Education, the Department of Sociology and Anthropology Education, the Department of Economic Education, the Department of Language and Arts Education, the Department of English Education, the Department of Indonesian Language and Literature Education, the Department of Mandailing Language Education, the Department of Arts Education, the Department of Technical and Vocational Education, the Department of Education of Informatic Engineer and Computer, the Department of Building Engineer Education, the Department of Mechanical Engineering Education, the Department of Sport and Health Education, the Department of Education of Sport Coaching, the Department of Education of Physical Health and Recreation, the Education of Civic and Environment, the Educational Technology, the Science Education, the Education Knowledge and the Natural Science Education, the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education Science, the Department of Management and Policy of Public Science of State Administration, the Department of Science of International Relations. The Department of Communication Studies, the Department of Science of Development of Social and Welfare, the Department of Politics and Government, Science of Government, the Department of Sociology, the Department of Public Administration Science, the Department of Social Science and Political Science, the Department of Comparative of Religion, the Department of Science of the Quran and Tafsir, the Department of Hadith Science, the Department of Science of Aqidah and Islamic Philosophy, the Department of Mysticology, the Department of Religious Philosophy, and the Department of Tafsir Hadith, the Department of Usuluddin, the Department of Arabic Language and Literature, the Department of Islamic History and Culture, the Department of English Language and Literature, the Department of Tarjamah, the Department of Library and Information Science, the Department of Arab and Humanities, the Department of Al-Ahwal Al-Shakhsiyah. Islamic Family Law, the Department of Siyasah, Law of Criminal and Police of Islam, the Department of Muamalah, Islamic Business Law, the Department of Comparison of the Mazhab, the Department of Islamic Finance, the Department of Legal Studies, and the Department of Law of Sharia Economy, the Department of Sharia, the Department of Hydroelectric Power Plant, the Department of Biodiesel Power Plant, the Department of Solar Cell Power Plant, the Department of Seaway Power Plant, the Department of Wind Power Plant, the Department of Nuclear Power Plant, NPP, the Department of Biomass Power Plant, and the Department of Energy Saver, the Faculty of Energy Conversion, the Department of Veterinary Medicine, the Faculty of Veterinary Medicine, the Department of Mechanical Engineering by System, the Department of Food Technology. The Department of Agricultural and Industrial Technology, and the Department of Speak and Environmental Engineering, the Faculty of Agricultural Technology, the Department of Economic and Development Studies, the Department of Management, the Department of Agribusiness, the Department of Economics, Research and Environment, and the Department of Sharia Economy, the Faculty of Economy and Management, the Department of Nutrition Science, the Department of Family and Consumer Science, and the Department of Communications and Development of Community, the Faculty of Human Ecology, the Department of Business, the School of Business, the Department of Livestock Production Technology, and the Department of Nutrition and Feed Technology, the Faculty of Animal Husbandry, Livestock, the Department of Technology and Management of Aquaculture, the Department of Water Resources Management, the Department of Aquatic Product. Technology, and the Department of Technology and Management of Capture Fisheries, the Department of Fisheries and Marine Science, the Department of Forest Management, the Department of Forest Product Technology, the Department of Forest Resources Conservation and Ecotourism, and the Department of Silviculture, the Department of Forestry, the Department of Education Support, the Department of Recreation Support, the Department of Achievement Support, the Department of Education of Physics, Health and Recreation, the Department of Support Science, the Department of Support Science of Recreation Support Concentration, and the Department of Support Science of Support Coaching Concentration, the Department of Support, the Department of Broadcasting, the Department of Public Relations, the Department of Advertising, the Department of Business Communication, the Department of Information and Library, the Department of Communication Studies, the Department of Library Science, the Department of Journalism, the Department of Communication Management, and the Department of Television and Movie, the Faculty of Communication Studies, the Department of Biostatistics, the Department of Health Informatics, the Department of Health Information Management, the Department of Epidemiology, the Department of Health Insurance Management, the Department of Health Service Management, the Department of Hospital Management, the Department of Environmental Health, the Department of Reproductive Health, the Department of Occupational Safety and Health, the Department of Health Service Quality, the Department of Health Promotion, the Department of Community Midwife, the Department of Nutrition, the Department of Clinical Epidemiology. The Department of Applied Epidemiology, the Department of Health Epidemiology, the Department of Health Economy, the Department of Health Insurance, the Department of Biostatistics, the Department of Environmental Health Epidemiology, the Department of Pharmacoeconomy, the Department of Public Health Nutrition, the Department of Policy and Law Health, the Department of Health Informatics, the Department of Environmental Health, the Department of Health Service Management, the Department of Health Service Quality, the Department of Health Information, the Department of Hospital Administration Study, the Department of Clinical Epidemiology, and the Department of Community Epidemiology, the Department of Public Health Science, the Faculty of Public Health, the Department of Oral Surgery, the Department of Oral Disease Science, the Department of Dental Conservation, the Department of Pediatrics, the Department of Prosthodontic, the Department of Orthodontic, the Department of Radiology, the Department of Material Science of Dentistry, the Department of Biology Oral, the Department of Science of Public Health, Dental and Preventive Dentistry, and the Department of Science of Child Dental Health, the Faculty of Dentistry, the Department of Clinical Psychology, the Department of Developmental Psychology, the Department of Educational Psychology, the Department of Industrial and Organizational Psychology, the Department of Social Psychology, and the Department of Psychological Method and Research, the Faculty of Psychology, the Department of Strategy of Universal War, Total War Strategy. The Department of Peace and Conflict Resolution, and the Department of Asymmetric Warfare, the Department of Defense Strategy, the Department of Defense Management, the Department of Economics Defense, the Department of Disaster Management for National Security, the Department of Energy Security, and the Department of Maritime Security, the Department of Defense Management, the Department of Accounting, the Department of Islamic Business, the Department of Islamic Economy, the Department of Economic Science, the Department of Management, the Department of Planning and Public Policy, the Faculty of Economy, the Department of Architecture, the Department of Urban Studies plus Planning, Media Laboratory, the Center for Real Estate, the Program in Arts, Culture and Technology, School of Architecture and Planning SA+P. Aeronautics and Astronautics, Biological Engineering, Chemical Engineering, Civil and Environmental Engineering, Electrical Engineering and Computer Science, Engine System Division, Material Science and Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Nuclear Science and Engineering, Institute for Medical Engineering and Science, School of Engineering, Preparatory Lab, Anthropology, Center for International Studies, Comparative Media Studies, writing, anthropology for international studies, comparative Middle studies, writing, economics, foreign language and literatures. Graduate consortium in women's studies, graduate program in science writing, story high for studio, science journalism program linguistic, literature, MUSIT, MUISTI, MUISTI, Mandailing University International Science and Technology Initiatives, music, philosophy, political science, science, technology, and society, security studies program, theater arts, women's and gender studies, School of Humanities, Art and Social Science, SHASS, degree program, MBA, Master of Business Administration program, Leaders for Global Cooperation, LGO, Master of Finance, Executive MBA, Master of Business Administration, Agus Salim Bulus program in Innovation and Global Leadership, Master of Science in Management Studies, MSMS, System Design and Management, SDM, PhD program, undergraduate program, Agus Salim Management, the Department of Biology, Department of Brain and Cognitive Science, the Department of Chemistry, Department of Science of Atmosphere and Space, the Department of Mathematics, and the Department of Physics, the Department of Science, the Department of Biology, Department of Microbiology, Department of Biological Engineering, Department of Agricultural Engineering, Department of Forestry Engineering, the Department of Post-Harvest Technology, Department of Science and Biological Engineering, Department of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology, and the Department of Clinical Pharmacy and Community, Department of Pharmacy, Department of Electrical Engineering, Department of Informatic Engineering, the Department of Electrical Power Engineering, Department of Telecommunication Engineering, Department of System and Technology of Information, and the Department of Biomedical Engineering, Department of Electrical and Informatic Engineering, Department of Architecture, and the Department of Regional and City Planning, the School of Architecture Planning and Policy Development, and the Department of Management, and the Department of Entrepreneurship, the School of Business Management of MU, Mandailing University. Agus Salim ST bin Abdul Rahim Nasution, pendiri Bapor UM, Badan Formatur Universitas Mandailing. Terima kasih. Thank you. Alhamdulillah.